Welcome to Conjet and the world of hydrodemolition. My name is Johan Lindh and I'm the new CEO of the Conjet Group, which consists of Conjet AB in Sweden and Conjet Inc. in North America. We develop solutions that safely remove concrete using hydrodemolition technology. I joined Conjet because I'm impressed by what this technology can achieve. One Conjet robot can do the work of up to 25 jackhammer operators and reduce cost and increase safety in a sustainable way. When I told my two youngest sons that I will be working with robots, they were initially very thrilled, but pretty disappointed when they realized it wasn't Star Wars robots. I tried to convince them that our water jet is equal to laser beams in Star Wars. Conjet has a fantastic team with a lot of enthusiasm and drive, and we already have an international footprint with distributors worldwide. I'm also proud of our 35 years of experience and heritage from Atlas Copco. We are still both producing yellow machines. I have a long background in leading and developing business worldwide. I spent 10 years in AB Volvo. I've been working in the lift industry with customers in 40 countries, and now I'm very excited to assume my third CEO position and take the Conjet Group to the next level. Together with my team, I want to increase awareness of our ACR technology and products, and I want to increase our global footprint with more sales partners and a larger sales team. We want to paint the whole world yellow. Come and join us.